Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sed's football break number 92 of 2012 Panini Playbook football. So the last team that ended in the break was the Indianapolis Colts on April 15th at 8:11 p.m. Eastern Time. So we'll go to current eBay day and time. Refresh. So current eBay date and time is Monday, April 15th at 8:40 p.m. Pacific, and it's Monday, April 15th at 11:40 p.m. Eastern Time. So about 20 minutes to midnight. So back to 92. So there's no serial number, so the way we're going to reference the box is the Panini logos on in image number 2. So we'll go back up here. So image 2, I guess the best way to explain it, here's the seal, then the logo right there. Just pretty much halfway across the seal there. So get into our box. So the seal, then the logo, about halfway through, just like the image there. Go over our seal. Go over the rest of the wrapping of the box after. Sealed there. So I'm hoping I can get some more playbook in later in this week, because this is the last box I have. So I posted just a single limited break, so I'll just do a couple more single limited or totally certified if you guys want until I get more playbook in. Then from the looks of things, I might be doing that last case of National Treasure for you guys too, so keep your eye out for that, because the other person can't come up with the funds to pay for it. So here we go, guys. We'll show you the seal one more time and we'll get started. Sealed. And here we go, guys. Good luck. Damn it, it's not coming up. That's a book. And another book. So we got two books here. Empty. So we'll do the two small packs first. So good luck, guys. So our first one is a Vinny Curry for the Philadelphia Eagles, 51 of 140. That's our first one. Pack 2. The next one is Manny Tomer, Tomer, 94 of 99 for the New York Giants. Our first book. Our first one is for the Browns, rookie playbook of Brandon Weeden, 32 of 149. Boom. So, very nice hit there for the Browns. Brandon Weeden. So 32 of 149. On to our second pack. Our second one is another rookie playbook of Alshon Jeffrey for the Chicago Bears. 107 of 199. So just the jersey. 107 of 199. So that concludes the break for tonight, guys. So we just got limited football tomorrow, Flair Retro and Dominion Hockey for tomorrow. Then maybe, yeah, I might even just do start doing the Case of National Treasure, start posting for this week or something like that. Then, other than that, thanks as always, guys, and